Most people spend hundreds of dollars upgrading their garage, then end up sitting on a cheap mechanic stool that squeaks, wobbles, or falls apart after a few months. I've seen it happen more times than I can count. The wrong rolling seat doesn't just make the job uncomfortable, it slows you down and leaves you sore by the end of the day. In this video, I'm counting down 5 rolling tool seats that are actually worth your money, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your garage, your budget, and the way you work. If you're into honest, no BS tool reviews, hit that subscribe button because I test this stuff so you don't have to. I've linked the latest prices and deals in the description, and if you're trying to decide between 2 models or have a question about your shop setup, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Let's kick things off with number 5, the BullsArmor Rolling Pneumatic Mechanics Tool. Right away, the first thing I noticed was the padded pneumatic seat. It feels surprisingly comfortable compared to a lot of entry-level mechanics tools that seem fine for 5 minutes and then become a pain to sit on. The steel frame gives it a solid feel, the casters roll smoothly on a clean garage floor, and height adjustment is quick, which is something you'll appreciate if you're constantly moving between brake jobs, suspension work, and detailing. Here's where this really stands out. In actual day-to-day use, it's a great choice for DE mechanics who spend a few hours in the garage every weekend. It rolls easily around the vehicle without constantly getting stuck, and the seat has enough cushioning that your back won't be begging for a break halfway through the job. I've used cheaper stools over the years that developed loose wheels or flattened cushions in no time. This one feels more dependable. My only complaint is that it doesn't offer built-in storage, so you'll still be reaching for your toolbox fairly often. But here's where things start getting interesting. Coming in at number 4 is the VEVOR Rolling Mechanics Stool with drawer and tool trays. The first thing that grabbed my attention wasn't actually the seat, it was the storage. Everything has its place. The integrated drawer and side trays keep sockets, screwdrivers, ratchets, and small parts within arm's reach, which means you're spending less time standing up and hunting for tools. It feels sturdy, the frame inspires confidence, and the casters handle typical concrete garage floors without much effort. Here's the part nobody talks about. Organization saves more time than horsepower ever will. After years of working on vehicles, I've realized that constantly walking back and forth to the toolbox adds up fast. This stool helps eliminate that problem. It's especially useful for brake work, suspension jobs, and detailing where you're moving around one side of the vehicle for extended periods. My only complaint is that the extra storage makes it a little heavier to move when fully loaded, but that's a trade-off most people will gladly accept. Now this next one is where the balance between comfort, durability, and professional quality really starts to become obvious. Coming in at number 3 is the DEWALT heavy-duty rolling shop stool with casters, and this is where you start getting into equipment that feels like it belongs in a professional shop. Right away, the first thing I noticed was how solid the frame is. It doesn't flex when you sit down, the thick padded seat feels supportive without being too firm, and the casters glide smoothly whether you're working around a truck, an SUV, or a low-slung sports car. It has that sturdy, overbuilt feel you'd expect from DEWALT. Here's where this really separates itself. After spending years working on everything from routine oil changes to full suspension rebuilds, I've learned that a stable seat makes a bigger difference than most people think. You're constantly shifting your weight, reaching for tools, and moving around the vehicle. The cheaper stools usually start wobbling after months of heavy use. This one stays planted and rolls exactly where you want it to. My only complaint is that it doesn't include built-in tool storage, but if comfort and durability are your priorities, that's easy to overlook. But wait. The top 2 bring something different to the table. At number 2 is the Traxion Progear Mobile Rolling Gear Race Seat. Honestly, this one feels like it was designed by someone who's spent countless hours underneath race cars. Right away, what stood out was the white ergonomic seat and the clever storage layout. Every tray seems to be positioned where your hands naturally reach, making it incredibly convenient when you're swapping sockets, extensions, or fasteners during a repair. It doesn't feel cluttered, and everything stays within easy reach. Here's what most people don't realize. Comfort isn't just about the cushion. It's about reducing fatigue over an entire afternoon in the garage. In actual day-to-day use, the Traxion shines during longer jobs because you're constantly moving without constantly standing up. That's something I've appreciated after years of working on brakes, exhaust systems, and detailing projects. It keeps your workflow smooth and your tools organized. My only complaint is that it takes up a bit more floor space than a basic mechanics tool, but if you've got the room, the added convenience is worth it. Now we've reached the one I've been waiting to talk about. Taking the number 1 spot is the WEN 300-pound capacity pneumatic rolling mechanics tool. This is the one that impressed me the most because it delivers exactly what most mechanics actually need, without making you pay for features you'll rarely use. The first thing I noticed was the thick pneumatic seat. It's comfortable enough for long jobs, adjusts quickly with a simple lever, and the steel construction feels built to handle years of regular garage work. The wide base gives it excellent stability, and the casters roll smoothly even when you're constantly changing positions around the vehicle. And honestly, that's where most people go wrong. They assume the most expensive stool automatically offers the best value. After using countless rolling mechanic seats over the years, I've learned that reliability and comfort matter far more than flashy extras. The WEN strikes that balance exceptionally well. Whether you're rotating tires, replacing brakes, working under the dash, or polishing paint, it stays comfortable and easy to maneuver. The cheaper options often develop squeaky wheels, loose hardware, or compressed cushions after repeated use. This one feels like it was built to last. My only complaint is that it doesn't have the extensive storage options you'll find on some premium models, but for most D'ers and even many professionals, that's a small compromise. So here's how I'd break it down. If you're looking for an affordable pneumatic tool, the BullsArmor is a solid place to start. The VEVOR is perfect if keeping your tools close by is your biggest priority. The DEWALT is an excellent choice for anyone who wants professional-grade durability and comfort. The Traxion Progear is ideal for mechanics who spend hours on detailed repairs and want outstanding organization. But if you're after the best overall balance of comfort, stability, durability, and value, the WEN earns the top spot. At the end of the day, any one of these rolling tool seats can make working in the garage far more comfortable than kneeling on concrete or dragging around an old bucket. The real trick is choosing the one that matches the way you work. Buy the right stool once, and you'll appreciate it every time you roll under a vehicle. If this review helped you narrow down your choice, hit that subscribe button because I've got plenty more real-world tool reviews and garage equipment comparisons coming your way. Check the description for the latest prices and deals on all 5 rolling tool seats. And if you're still deciding between 2 models or have a question about your garage setup, leave a comment below. I'd be happy to help you choose the right one for your needs.